Hello, hello. Today we're going to go over what makes a perfect trade for me, and maybe you can take something away from it. So on the left is the hourly chart, on the right is the 5 minute. Right now we're in this long, and this is the trade I'm going to talk about. This could come and stop me out now, it doesn't matter. I just wanted to show it as an example and exactly why we went in. And this is kind of a follow-up of the last video I posted talking about what makes a high probability zone. Okay, so first we look at our higher time frame. I'm going to look at the hourly. We have this upswing in the market. We start to turn down, so I need to look for demand to buy. Okay, what's the important things that happened on this upswing? We broke structure to the left. Okay, and these are the demands we're looking at, right? There's demand here, demand here, demand here, here, and here. Okay, now just like in that video, if we picture the swing as expensive price and cheap price, we don't care about these demands up here because they're at an expensive price. So we want to look at 50% or lower. This is our first demand level here. So that's where we would be looking at once we start to break down here. Okay, so that's the higher time frame picture. So now we're looking here, green zone, and we broke structure to the left. So now we go down into our smaller time frame. And we wait. We wait patiently until we hit our zone. When we hit it, what do we see? We see huge volume, biggest volume of the evening or morning so far. Actually, biggest volume right now as we speak. We come up. Now the same picture as the hourly. What does this upswing do? It breaks structure to the left. Okay. So on these candles right here, really on this candle right here, this demand forms. So on this candle, this demand forms. And that's the first demand in this whole down move that forms. So what do? We buy a retest. And it sounds simple, and it is. It's that simple as long as you're patient. So we're looking for higher time frame, structure to be breaking in our direction. We want to pull back to a cheap price. We want to pull back to a relatively strong zone, stronger the better. And then we want to go to our smaller time frame, wait for price to tell us there's an imbalance, which it didn't tell us until right here. And then we can start looking for our buys. So really super simple rules and a super clear picture. That's why I took this. Not a super serious trade, but we ended up doing a 1, a 2, a 3R trade, and we're just going to hold on to it and see if we can make a new high. We're looking to come up in this area. But we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.